Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of New Zealand. Join us as we uncover 7 surprising facts that set this extraordinary country apart from the rest of the world. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which topic you'd like to see next. Few things pique the interest quite like New Zealand's love affair with Pokey ice cream. Imagine a smooth, creamy vanilla ice cream studded with delightful nuggets of honeycomb toffee. These crunchy, caramelized pieces add a burst of sweetness that elevates this dessert to legendary status among Kiwis. Pokey has become an integral part of New Zealand's culinary identity. Visitors are often taken aback by the sheer enthusiasm with which locals embrace this unique ice cream. You'll find Pokey incorporated into cakes, cookies, and even coffee. So when in New Zealand, be sure to sample this iconic treat. In New Zealand, the simple act of going barefoot is a cultural phenomenon. From bustling streets to tranquil shores, Kiwis of all ages stroll along, their bare feet connecting them to the earth. This barefoot culture embodies the nation's laid-back attitude and deep connection to nature. Supermarkets, schools, and even some workplaces embrace this casual approach to footwear. For Kiwis, going barefoot is a way of life, a symbol of their down-to-earth nature. In New Zealand, a remarkable truth sets it apart. This island nation is free from the fear of deadly creatures. Unlike its neighbor Australia, New Zealand boasts a remarkable absence of lethal wildlife. The absence of snakes is a defining characteristic of New Zealand's ecosystem. This lack of deadly animals fosters a sense of freedom and security when exploring the great outdoors. So, embrace the tranquility of knowing you can wander freely without the constant worry of encountering a deadly creature. New Zealand offers a meteorological roller coaster that can leave even the most seasoned traveler bewildered. The weather here is as dynamic as the landscapes, shifting from sunny skies to sudden downpours in the blink of an eye. It's a place where you can experience a full spectrum of weather phenomena within a single day. This is a land where the adage, 4 seasons in a day, is a lived reality. One moment you might be basking in the warmth of the sun, and the next you could be seeking shelter from an unexpected rain shower. The clouds can roll in swiftly, bringing with them a dramatic change in temperature and mood. Kiwis have learned to embrace the ever-changing elements, always prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws their way. This adaptability is a testament to their resilience and resourcefulness. Whether it's a sudden gust of wind or a surprise hailstorm, New Zealanders take it all in stride, often with a smile. Layering clothing is an essential skill, a carefully orchestrated dance of adding and shedding garments. It's not uncommon to see people donning multiple layers in the morning, only to peel them off as the day warms up. This constant adjustment ensures comfort and readiness for whatever the day may bring. A trusty umbrella or raincoat is a constant companion. These items are not just accessories but necessities, always within arm's reach. The unpredictability of the weather means that being caught unprepared is not an option. An umbrella can be a lifesaver during a sudden downpour, while a raincoat offers protection from both rain and wind. This unpredictability fosters a deep appreciation for the fleeting moments of beauty that grace the New Zealand sky. The ever-changing weather creates a canvas of colors and patterns that are both mesmerizing and ephemeral. Each shift in the weather brings a new perspective, a fresh view of the landscape. Sunsets in particular are cherished events, their vibrant hues a reminder of the ephemeral nature of light and time. As the sun dips below the horizon, it paints the sky with a palette of oranges, pinks, and purples, creating a breathtaking spectacle. These moments of natural beauty are a reward for enduring the day's meteorological roller coaster, a serene end to a day of ever-changing weather. Language takes on a delightful twist in New Zealand, where everyday objects are often referred to by uniquely Kiwi terms. The rich tapestry of New Zealand's linguistic landscape is a reflection of its vibrant culture and history. As you stroll through the bustling streets or visit the local markets, you'll hear a symphony of unique expressions that might leave you both amused and intrigued. For instance, togs means swimwear, and jandals are flip-flops. These terms are not just words but a window into the Kiwi way of life. Imagine yourself on a sunny beach, the golden sand beneath your feet, and the gentle waves lapping at the shore. You might hear someone say, "Don't forget your togs and jandals." It's a simple reminder of how language and lifestyle are intertwined here. Gumboots are rubber boots, essential for navigating muddy fields or rainy days. These sturdy boots are a staple in every Kiwi's wardrobe, especially in rural areas. Picture a farmer trudging through a muddy field, the rain pouring down, yet their spirits remain high, thanks to their trusty gumboots. It's a testament to the practicality and resilience of the New Zealand people. You'll encounter phrases like kia ora, be well, chur, thanks, and sweet as, great. These expressions are more than just words. They are a reflection of the warmth and friendliness that Kiwis are known for. Kia ora is a greeting that carries a sense of well-being and respect, while chur is a casual way to express gratitude. And when something is sweet as, you know it's absolutely fantastic. Embracing these linguistic quirks is part of the fun of immersing oneself in New Zealand culture. It's an adventure in itself, a journey through words that brings you closer to the heart of the country. Whether you're chatting with locals or simply listening to conversations around you, these unique terms add a layer of richness to your experience. Don't be afraid to ask a local for clarification if you're unsure of a word's meaning. Kiwis are known for their friendly and approachable nature, and they love sharing their culture with visitors. A simple question can lead to a delightful exchange, where you not only learn a new word, but also gain a deeper understanding of the local way of life. They'll be more than happy to enlighten you, often with a chuckle and a twinkle in their eye. This warmth and openness are what make New Zealand such a welcoming place. So the next time you hear a Kiwi term that puzzles you, don't hesitate to ask. It's all part of the linguistic adventure that awaits you in this beautiful country. In New Zealand, a spirit of resourcefulness and ingenuity thrives, often referred to as the number 8 wire approach. This unique mindset has been ingrained in the Kiwi culture for generations, symbolizing the ability to make do with what is available and to find creative solutions to everyday problems. This particular gauge of wire, originally used for fencing, became a symbol of Kiwi inventiveness. Number 8 wire is not just a piece of metal, it represents a way of thinking, a philosophy of adaptability and innovation. Over the years, it has been used in countless ways, from repairing farm equipment to creating art. With a bit of bending and twisting, number 8 wire could be fashioned into almost anything. Farmers and craftsmen alike have used it to fix machinery, build structures, and even create household items. The versatility of this wire is a testament to the Kiwi spirit of making the most out of limited resources. This resourceful spirit extends far beyond fencing wire, embracing creativity and problem-solving in all aspects of life. In workshops and garages across the country, you can find New Zealanders applying this mentality to tackle various challenges, whether big or small. Whether it's fixing a broken appliance or fashioning a makeshift barbecue, Kiwis have a knack for finding practical solutions. This can-do attitude is evident in their everyday lives, where improvisation and ingenuity are often the keys to overcoming obstacles. The number 8 wire mentality is a reminder that sometimes the most ingenious solutions are born out of necessity and resourcefulness. It teaches us that with a bit of creativity and determination, we can solve problems in ways we never thought possible. This approach has not only shaped the way New Zealanders live and work, but has also inspired others around the world to think outside the box and embrace innovation in their own lives. In New Zealand culture, the humble bach, pronounced batch, embodies a love for simplicity, escape, and connection with nature. These modest holiday homes represent a cherished Kiwi tradition. Unlike luxurious resorts, baches are all about embracing the essentials. Life at the bach revolves around disconnecting from everyday life and reconnecting with nature and loved ones. Evenings are made for gathering around outdoor tables, sharing stories and laughter. The bach represents a way of life, a place where families create lasting memories and the stresses of modern life fade into the background. As our journey through New Zealand comes to a close, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this extraordinary country. If you've enjoyed uncovering these surprising facts, please like and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your sense of wonder alive. Thank you for watching. See you next time.